Thank you for stopping by. Very excited to bring to you decentralized gambling with the Augur platform, a step-by-step guide with no casino required. Augur allows its users to create bets on virtually anything. The system then rewards its users for correctly predicting the outcome of future events. The first step in getting started with Augur is to go to augur.net. Click on the purple Augur app button and download the Augur app. Once the download is complete, you will open the app and see the option to click Connect. When you connect to the Augur mainnet, your computer will begin processing all the previous blocks of the blockchain. The first time that you do this, it may take some time to process. Once you reach 100%, click the purple button to open in browser. A new window will open in your web browser, displaying the front page of the betting marketplace. This is where you will be able to view open wagers by category, place bets, or even create your own bet. I hope you have enjoyed this brief introduction to Augur. To learn more about placing a bet or creating your own bet, please visit achainofblocks.com.